This is the GhostBed website. As you can tell, it's very clean, informative, user-friendly, and easy to navigate through. And so I'm just scrolling down, looking at all their products. Here are the sheets that I'm reviewing, and so you can pick your different sizes for depending on your bed, from full, twin, king, California king, queen. Each size varies in price. So I'm just going to scroll down so you could look at more about the product and gain some information about it. If you want to look more in depth, you could look in the website. It tells you about the thread count, what materials used. So it has a 3-year warranty, materials 6% cotton, 40% fiber, and 600 thread count. Here I'm going to do the unboxing. Now the box does take some effort to pretty much get it open. So you just have to shake it. Here you have a thank you card. And inside you have some information. Here I'll show the information. So I'm going to open the sheets. And show you everything that comes with it. So here we have the bottom fitted sheet. So you can tell it's very elasticy. It's well made. The threading looks good. It's very close threading. So included in the package is 2 queen pillowcases and 2 king pillowcases. Here's the top sheet. Now it is a little soft. It's well threaded. And then here in a few minutes I'm going to show me putting on the sheets on my bed. It's a king size. So here I'm just demonstrating by putting the sheets in the bed, or should I say more my wife is. Let's go fast forward through it so you can see the final result. So here we have is the final result. This is how it looks after all the sheets are and the pillowcases are pinned. This is the fitted sheet, and this is the elastic. The elastic fits perfect in king size bed, and actually gives enough room extra. So, and then the fitted sheet's nice and soft yet thin, and also the elastic's thin. They're both made of cotton and tensile fiber. They're pretty much combined together. And here we have the pillow sheet. Fits perfect, regular size pillow. This is actually the bamboo. So if you have a bamboo pillow, I'd say it fits perfect. There is a little bit of room, and so you can fold it. But overall, this is great quality. Pretty much set, king size set, and I hope to use it for many years to come. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.